to another episode of America's favorite game show, Will He Fit? I'm your host, Nate Henderson. Let's meet our contestant. He's a 10-year military veteran. A graduate of Asbury University. And has 15 years of experience in residential construction. Representing Guardian Home Inspection, let's give a round of applause for our returning champion, SgtDonovan. That brings us to today's challenge, entering an attic. But this isn't your normal attic access. It's tiny, it's in a closet, and there's a shelf in the way. The contestant has entered the arena. It looks like he may have spotted the attic. It appears his ladder is somehow both too small and too big. What's this? Is the champion giving up? No, it looks like he forgot his flashlight. That could have been disastrous. Now that's an awkward angle. This could be it. It is. The champion has made it into the attic. Join us next time for another exciting episode of Will He Fit? This has been a Guardian Home Inspection production. Visit us online at guardianky.com.